I've been scrolling around and I've been checking out businesses. Very few businesses actually have a chatbot that actually work like this one. So we just have it on the website. I have on the left hand side, I have opened the Google Calendar so you can see it live happening. So now we're talking to our agent and we're asking a few questions. We want to make a booking and then we need to check the calendar as well. So we check the calendar and then we can make the booking within a minute. So now we check the availability. It didn't have it available. Now we check it at 3 o'clock, and then it's gonna say yes, this is available, and then we're gonna give the phone number, and it's gonna book us in. So on the left hand side, you're gonna see it pop up. Here you go, and that easy, that crazy. And here you go. So now you can actually, here you go. I'm gonna stop on this. So now you can see you get the result in just a fraction of a second. The the lead finished the chat on your website, and then you already have all the information, and the booking is done. This is absolutely crucial for your website. You have a website, you have a call number, you have one person that can answer the calls, so it's very inefficient. Now, if you have the website and the phone agent that actually they are both connected to the same database, and you get all the leads into one place, and then you don't get one from there, one from Valentino, one from George. Now you're gonna have the AI on the website, the phone agent, inbound phone agent that answer your phone calls when you are busy or when your line, your receptionist is busy with the current customer. This will actually handle the call and they will get the exact same information or based on what your actual needs are. So if you want to get information about the property or about the car or about the product, it will capture that information and then you are able to call back the customer and say, hey, Valentino, here you go. I got your information here. I got this product or I don't have this product and this is what I can offer you instead. Or we can do that straight with the chatbot. Here you have it. I want to show you a little bit of the backend. So the website is connected to with the calendar and then all goes through N8N. So we have an MCP server that has check events and check availability and make a booking. So it will both are triggered by the MCP server. So it's very easy to integrate this with the actual agent. And then we have the Airtable, all the leads go in the Airtable, and then we get the message into Telegram. We have a new lead, and from here you can set up all different automations. What you're gonna do with the lead? Either you're gonna give them a follow-up message, or you call them back, or whatever the case is. Thank you very much for watching. Keep learning, and I'll see you next time.